Atlantis. The name itself whispers of mystery, of a powerful civilization swallowed by the waves. Was it real, a true story lost to time, or just a legend passed down through generations? The truth, as elusive as the city itself, lies somewhere beneath the surface. For centuries, historians, archaeologists, and explorers have been captivated by the possibility of a real Atlantis. A place of advanced technology, stunning architecture, and untold riches, now hidden beneath the ocean's depths. The search for Atlantis has taken us from the depths of the Atlantic Ocean to the shores of distant islands. Could there be a kernel of truth hidden within the myth, a real event, exaggerated and romanticized over time? The possibility, however small, is enough to keep the legend of Atlantis alive. Join us as we journey into the heart of this ancient enigma and explore the enduring mystery of Atlantis. Our journey begins with Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher. Around 360 BC, Plato wrote about Atlantis in his dialogues, Timaeus and Critias. He described a powerful island nation, with a mighty navy and advanced technology. Atlantis, he wrote, was a utopia, a shining example of civilization and governance. But the Atlanteans grew arrogant, they became power-hungry, seeking to conquer lands beyond their own. This angered the gods, who punished them with a cataclysmic earthquake and flood. Overnight, Atlantis vanished beneath the waves. Was Plato writing history or weaving a cautionary tale? Some scholars believe Atlantis was a literary device, a way for Plato to explore philosophical and political themes. Others believe it was inspired by a real event, perhaps a volcanic eruption or a devastating tsunami. Whatever his inspiration, Plato's story ignited the imagination of the world. His vivid descriptions of Atlantis with its concentric rings of land and canals have fueled countless theories and expeditions. The world is not enough. If Atlantis was real, where did it go? Theories abound, placing the lost city in locations across the globe. Some believe Atlantis rests beneath the Aegean Sea. The volcanic island of Santorini with its massive eruption in the Bronze Age is a popular candidate. Could this be the real-life inspiration for Plato's cataclysmic event? Others point to the Atlantic Ocean, taking Plato's writings literally. The Azores, a group of volcanic islands in the North Atlantic, have been suggested as a possible location. The Canary Islands, off the coast of Africa, with their unique geology and ancient history, are another contender. Some theories venture further afield, placing Atlantis in the Bahamas, the Caribbean, or even Antarctica. Each location has its proponents, armed with geological evidence, ancient maps, and intriguing interpretations of Plato's texts. Section 4. Scholars versus Atlantis. A mystery too deep? Not everyone is convinced. Many historians and archaeologists dismiss Atlantis as a myth. They argue that there is no archaeological evidence to support its existence. Plato's writings, they say, are allegorical, not historical. Skeptics point to the lack of underwater cities, the implausibility of a technologically advanced civilization existing in such distant times, and the lack of any mention of Atlantis in other ancient texts. They argue that the search for Atlantis is a romantic pursuit, fueled by imagination rather than evidence. However, the lack of definitive proof does not deter true believers. They counter that the ocean floor remains largely unexplored and that evidence of Atlantis could be buried beneath centuries of sediment. The debate rages on, with each side interpreting the evidence through their own lens. Section 5. Modern Tech, Ancient Secrets. Finding Atlantis 2.0. Despite the skepticism, the search for Atlantis continues. Today, explorers are armed with cutting-edge technology that allows them to probe the ocean depths with unprecedented precision. Sonar scanning, deep-sea submersibles, and underwater drones are just some of the tools being used to uncover the secrets of the past. Satellite imagery and remote sensing technology are also being employed, allowing researchers to analyze underwater formations and identify potential archaeological sites. The data collected is analyzed using sophisticated software, searching for patterns and anomalies that could point to man-made structures. While these technologies have yet to reveal a definitive Atlantis, they have led to exciting discoveries. Sunken cities, ancient shipwrecks, and underwater structures have been found, hinting at the rich history hidden beneath the waves. Each discovery pushes the boundaries of our understanding of the past and brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the deep. Section 6. Could we be wrong? What if they find it? Imagine for a moment that Atlantis is found. What would that mean for our understanding of history? Would it rewrite the textbooks, challenge our assumptions about ancient civilizations? The discovery of a city as advanced as Atlantis would be a paradigm shift, forcing us to reevaluate our place in the timeline of human civilization. The implications extend beyond history. The technology and knowledge possessed by the Atlanteans could hold solutions to some of the challenges facing us today. Their advanced understanding of energy, transportation, and sustainable living could be invaluable in a world grappling with climate change and resource depletion. Of course, this is all speculation, but the possibility, however remote, is tantalizing. It highlights the power of the unknown and the enduring allure of Atlantis. Section 7. The search continues. Atlantis beckons. The legend of Atlantis continues to fascinate and inspire us. It speaks to our innate curiosity, our desire to explore the unknown, and our fascination with lost civilizations. Whether a real city or a cautionary tale, Atlantis reminds us of the power of the human imagination and the enduring mysteries that lie hidden beneath the waves. So, the question remains, myth or reality? The answer, like Atlantis itself, remains elusive. But one thing is certain, the search for Atlantis will continue, driven by the same spirit of adventure and discovery that has captivated humanity for centuries. The ocean depths hold their secrets close, but we will keep searching, seeking answers in the watery abyss. What will we find when we finally reach the bottom?